The situation west of Chasov Yar. As of August 24, Russian troops launched a new offensive there, launching operations to dismantle a series of bunkers and trenches, where Ukrainian troops were hiding, hoping to hinder the Russian advance but without success. Over the past few days, they have made significant progress in capturing the villages of Maiske and Markove, to the west and north of Chasov Yar, capturing a series of enemy defenses, and approaching this section of the axis. Drone footage captured the attack, by Russian soldiers from the 4th Motorized Rifle Brigade, directly on Ukrainian positions sheltering in their bunkers. The brave soldiers advanced from one bunker to another, throwing a series of explosives, which exploded directly over the enemy's heads. This highlights the success of Russian troops in capturing a large defensive area, which is becoming increasingly problematic for Ukraine. The personnel fighting for Zelensky and the West are rapidly dwindling, due to the unstoppable actions of Russian troops. In addition to these actions, drone footage captured the clearing of other Ukrainian fortifications, west of Chasov Yar. A Russian assault unit from the 299th Guards Parachute Regiment of the Ivanovo Airborne Forces approached a trench in a forested area, and the Ukrainian defenses there fell into a deadly ambush. The first, 2 high-explosive shells were thrown into the trench, surprising the enemy. Russian soldiers then offered to surrender, but Ukrainian troops responded with small arms fire, and engaged in combat. Thus, soldiers from the Russian assault detachment used another high-explosive bomb, to eliminate the enemy. The soldiers then entered the trench and cleared the personnel inside, reported the commander of the Paratroopers Airborne Battalion, who spoke about the progress of the combat mission. In general, it appears that the Russian forces' actions were a signal to Zelensky that the time is up. Negotiate, hold elections, and end this proxy war.